Hi there, SharePoint enthusiasts! Today I'm gonna show you how to back up your SharePoint sites for free using Veeam Backup for Microsoft 365 Community Edition. A while back, one of my clients accidentally deleted a critical SharePoint site and emptied the recycle bin. By the time they realized their mistake, it was too late. But thankfully they had a backup, and we restored everything in minutes. Let me show you how to set this up so you're protected too. Microsoft provides some native protection, but it does have some gaps. You can't roll back specific files to a specific point in time, at least at the time of the recording of this video. Microsoft is rolling out the granular file level restore using the Microsoft 365 backup, but it's still new and can get expensive. Veeam is a great alternative, especially for granular restores like recovering a specific file or list item. Veeam's Community Edition gives you 10 user licenses for mailboxes and OneDrive, 10 teams, unlimited SharePoint team and communication sites up to 1 TB of data, and the same functionality as the paid version. Just remember to renew the free license once a year. It only takes 2 minutes. Let's get started. Head to the Veeam download page and select Community Edition and download the ISO file. It's about 1.5 GB. Mount the ISO by double-clicking it in Windows, then run the Veeam setup executable. During the installation, select the Veeam Backup for Microsoft 365. On the license screen, just click Next to install the Community Edition. Choose Install New Instance for the Postgres database. Then install the NAT server and set a password. Once that's done, launch the application. When Veeam opens, you'll see a connection prompt. Use Windows Session Authentication and click Connect. Now let's add your Microsoft 365 organization. Click Add Org. Select Microsoft 365 as the deployment type, then check SharePoint Online and OneDrive for Business. Select Modern Authentication, then choose Register a new Microsoft Entra ID application automatically. Keep the default app name and click Next. Veeam will give you a device code. Copy it, go to Microsoft.com device login and sign in with a Global Administrator account. Once you're authenticated, Veeam verifies the connection and automatically configures everything. You'll see green check marks for Entra ID, Microsoft Graph, SharePoint, and PowerShell. Now let's create a backup job. Click Backup in the toolbar, name your job. I'll call mine Backup SharePoint Site. Select Backup the following objects, and then click Add. You'll see a list of all your SharePoint sites. Select one or more sites you want to protect. Click Add, then Next. Skip the exclusion screen unless you need to exclude something specific. Select the default backup repository. Then on the scheduling screen, you can set up automatic backups, but for now I'll just check the Start the job to run it immediately. Click Create, and the backup job starts running. Look at the bottom of the screen. Licenses used 0. That confirms SharePoint sites are free to backup up to 1 TB. Now let's see how to restore something. Let's say someone accidentally deletes a document. Here's how to get it back. Click Explore in the toolbar, select SharePoint and choose your restore point. Browse to the site and the library where the file was located. You can restore individual files, folders, list items, or even entire sites. All with granular control. And that's it. Veeam Backup for Microsoft 365 Community Edition is a powerful free solution for protecting SharePoint sites. You get site backups up to 1 TB, granular restores, and peace of mind without spending a cent. Just remember to renew the free license once a year and you're all set.